So we have activity number 4. We have Althea wants to save 400,000 in 5 years' time. In order to purchase a new car, she starts making monthly payments into account, paying 12% per annum, compounded month, starting immediately. And then how much will she pay each month? So if we're to put this on a timeline, this is what we're going to have. We have T0. Now she's going to pay what? X. And then they say which is going to do this in 5 years' time. Yes, up until you get to T60. How did I get T60? I got T60 by, you can, I said N is going to be equaling to compounded monthly. So it's 5 times 12, which is going to be 16. But we also made a payment immediately. Since we made a payment immediately, it means which we are going to have what? +1, which is going to be what? 61. And then we have our future value, which is going to be 400,000. And then we have X, which we don't know. But we have the interest rate. Our interest rate is 0.12 divided by 12. So each and every month you are getting 0.1. Each and every month you are getting 0.1. And then after doing that, let's check. We can use the future value formula. It says F future is going to be X, open bracket. It's 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1, close bracket, all over I. So if we're looking for X, the best thing that we can do is to rearrange this thing and make X the subject. How do you make X the subject? To multiply by I. So you have I, future value, which is going to be X, 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1. And then you divide by 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1. Yeah? Yes. And then this side you're going to have 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1. Yeah? Yes. And then from here, it's a matter of substituting. If you were to sub here, let's check what are you going to get. We have 0.12 divided by 12, no? Multiplied by 400 all over. Open bracket. Open bracket. Open bracket again, 1 plus 0.12 divided by 12 to the power of 61. Yes. Minus. So the key thing here was that we're supposed to say 61 instead of 16. Yes. And then this is going to be X. Yes. Therefore, our X, let's check if you type this in your calculator. Mode 1, we have fraction. Yes. 0.12. 0.12 all over 12. Multiply by 400. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All over. Open bracket. 1 plus fraction 0.12 divided by 12. Close bracket to the power of 61. 61 instead of 16. Minus 1. Close bracket. We get 4,791,20. Yeah, a question like this one can be something like 3 marks, 4 marks. So I'm going to give you 1 mark for N, 1 mark for substituting in the formula, 1 mark for the final answer. Yeah, we can put with this thing here, it's money.